Ever feel like you're being bombarded with emails? We've all been there. Subscription boxes you forgot about, endless social media updates, and maybe even a credit score service that once felt helpful, but now just clutters your inbox. If you're nodding your head because Borrowell emails are taking over, you are not alone. But fear not, fellow credit-conscious comrade. This video will be your guide to unsubscribing from Borrowell's marketing messages, reclaiming your inbox peace of mind. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand the difference between marketing and transactional emails. Marketing emails are those promotional ones trying to sell you a product or service. Transactional emails, on the other hand, are essential updates directly related to your account, like credit score changes or important security information. Borrowell, like most services, offers both. The good news is, you can unsubscribe from marketing emails without affecting your account's functionality. Here's how to do it, depending on whether you're using the Borrowell app or the website. Unsubscribing through the Borrowell app. Step 1. Open the Borrowell app and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Look for Manage Account and tap on it. Step 4. Here's the magic button. You should see an option that says Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Tap on that beauty. Unsubscribing through the Borrowell website. If you prefer the desktop experience, follow these steps. Step 1. Head over to the Borrowell website and log into your account. Step 2. Once logged in, hover your mouse over your name or profile picture in the top right corner. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Profile from that menu. Step 4. On your profile page, look for the Account Settings section. It should be on the right-hand side. Step 5. Within Account Settings, you'll find the Manage Account option. Click on that. Step 6. Just like on the app, you should see an option to unsubscribe from marketing emails. Click that, and voila! Important note, remember, unsubscribing from marketing emails won't stop Borrowell from sending transactional emails. These are important updates about your account and credit score, so you might want to keep them coming. If you ever decide you want those marketing emails back, the unsubscribe process can usually be reversed through your account settings as well. Just look for an option to resubscribe to marketing emails. So, that's how to unsubscribe from Borrowell's marketing messages. Hopefully, this video has helped you regain control of your inbox and achieve that sweet email zen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.